At 55 plus, you're not looking for a weekend toy. You need a partner, a reliable, comfortable, and capable machine for daily tasks, from property work to trail exploration. It's about effortless control, enduring comfort, and proven durability. Here are the 10 best ATVs built for the wisdom and active lifestyle of a mature rider. Let's find your perfect daily driver. The Polaris Sportsman 570 is the quintessential daily driver for the discerning rider over 55. It doesn't try to overwhelm with power or flash. Instead, it delivers a perfectly balanced package of versatility, comfort, and easy operation that excels at any daily task. Its brilliance lies in the legendary Polaris on-demand true all-wheel drive. Whether you're checking fence lines on a damp hillside or hauling firewood across the yard, a simple click of the switch provides instant locked 4WD traction. This effortless capability, paired with the smooth and torquey ProStar 570 engine, means you have more than enough power for hauling and towing without the bulk or thirst of a larger machine. The independent rear suspension is a daily use game changer. It delivers a remarkably comfortable and stable ride, soaking up bumps and ruts that would jolt you on a solid axle machine, reducing fatigue on longer chores or trail rides. With intuitive controls, excellent storage, and a commanding yet relaxed seating position, the Sportsman 570 proves itself as the ultimate no-nonsense workhorse that makes every daily job not just manageable, but enjoyable. The Can-Am Outlander 850 is the daily driver for the man over 55 who refuses to compromise. It's for the rider who demands top-tier capability and sophisticated comfort for every task, whether it's a serious work project or an extended backcountry exploration. This machine redefines daily ease with its technological edge. The Tri-Mode dynamic power steering makes maneuvering feel incredibly light, whether you're navigating a tight shed or a rocky trail, drastically reducing arm fatigue. When the task gets tough, the raw, torque-rich power of the Rotax 850cc V-twin handles heavy loads and steep grades with utter nonchalance. But its true daily brilliance is in features like descent control and hill hold, which provide automatic, confidence-inspiring control on inclines during chores or hunting. Paired with a plush, long travel suspension that isolates you from rough terrain, the Outlander 850 transforms demanding daily use into a comfortable, commanding, and utterly secure experience. It's the premium tool that makes every job feel easier. The CF Moto C-Force 500 represents intelligent modern value as a daily driver. It's the perfect choice for the rider over 55 who appreciates premium features and smart capability without the premium price tag, making everyday utility both accessible and enjoyable. This machine excels in delivering a smooth, user-friendly experience. Its liquid-cooled 500cc engine provides peppy, tractable power that's ideal for chores, light towing, and trail riding without being intimidating. The standard fully independent double A-arm suspension is a standout, offering a remarkably comfortable and controlled ride that soaks up daily terrain imperfections far better than many competitors in its class. Daily usability is further enhanced by thoughtful amenities like a crisp, full-color digital display, selectable 2WD, 4WD with a diff lock for confident traction, and abundant, easy-to-access storage. The C-Force 500 proves that a daily ATV doesn't have to be Spartan. It offers a refined, feature-rich, and capable package that handles daily duties with ease and does so with a level of polish that belies its attractive price point. The Honda 4Trax Rancher is the gold standard of dependable daily usability. For the rider over 55 who values bulletproof reliability above all else, the Rancher is a trusted partner that starts every morning and handles any task with straightforward, no-nonsense capability. Its genius for daily use lies in its versatile drivetrain options. The available Electric Shift Program, ESP, offers the perfect blend of control and convenience. You get the precise gear selection of a manual for delicate tasks or steep hills, but with simple push-button shifting, no clutch lever to pull. This makes it incredibly easy on the joints during long days. Backed by Honda's legendary torque-sensing front differential and proven engine durability, the Rancher provides seamless, intelligent traction and year-after-year reliability. Its comfortable ergonomics, lightweight for easy maneuvering, and vast accessory ecosystem make it adaptable to any daily role, from farm work to trail exploration. It's the daily driver you buy for a decade, not just a season. The Honda 4Trax Foreman 4x4 is the indestructible anchor of a daily fleet. For the man over 55 whose daily use involves serious, uncompromising work or remote exploration, this machine is an investment in absolute dependability. It's built not for a season, but for a legacy. Its daily prowess is rooted in legendary overbuilt durability. The steel chassis and torquey engine are famous for logging thousands of hours with basic maintenance. The Honda dual-mode 4WD system is a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity, a positive, lever-operated system that delivers true, locked front-wheel drive without electronics that can fail. When you're miles from help, this reliability is priceless. The Foreman prioritizes function and predictability over frills. Its controls are intuitive, its power delivery is smooth and strong, and its solid rear axle provides a stable, planted feel under load. For daily chores that demand a true workhorse, towing, hauling, plowing, or traversing unforgiving terrain, the Foreman 4x4 offers a level of steadfast, no-worry capability that few machines can match. It's the daily tool that never calls in sick. The Yamaha Grizzly 700 is the intelligent operator's choice for daily use. It replaces brute force with sophisticated engineering, offering a blend of effortless control, serene comfort, and unwavering reliability that makes every task, from chores to long trail rides, a pleasure. Its crown jewel is the Ultramatic transmission with true engine braking. This system provides unmatched control, especially on hills or with loads. The automatic transmission is smooth and intuitive, while the engine braking acts as an automatic downshift, holding you back on descents without constant brake use, a feature that reduces fatigue and increases safety during daily work. Paired with the superb on-command 4WD system and a plush, fully independent suspension, the Grizzly 700 delivers a ride that is both supremely capable and exceptionally comfortable. It soaks up bumps that would jar you on other machines. For the discerning rider over 55 who values a quiet, smooth, incredibly smart machine that handles the daily grind with graceful ease, the Grizzly 700 is a peerless daily companion. The Polaris Sportsman 850 is the ultimate balance of premium comfort and robust capability for daily use. It's designed for the rider who expects a refined experience without sacrificing the muscle needed for serious tasks. This machine excels with its smooth, powerful ProStar 850 engine. It delivers abundant torque for towing and hauling, yet does so with a remarkably linear and controlled power band that inspires confidence rather than anxiety. Daily operation is further enhanced by available premium ride command suspension, offering an exceptionally plush and controlled ride that transforms rough property or bumpy trails into a comfortable commute. Crucially, it retains the legendary Polaris On-Demand True AWD for instant maximum traction. When paired with features like electronic power steering and a host of storage and comfort options, the Sportsman 850 becomes a supremely capable yet luxurious daily tool. It's the ideal choice for the man who wants one machine to comfortably handle everything from demanding yard work to all-day exploratory adventures. The Yamaha Kodiak 450 is the master of efficiency and intuitive operation for daily life. It proves that you don't need massive displacement for exceptional capability. You need intelligent design. This makes it a perfect daily companion for the rider over 55 who prioritizes nimbleness, simplicity, and low running costs. Its standout feature is the Ultramatic transmission, arguably the most user-friendly and durable CVT on the market. It's incredibly smooth, requires zero maintenance, and provides precise control for delicate tasks. Combined with the on-command 4WD system, you have a drivetrain that is both effortless to use and profoundly capable in mud, snow, or on hills. The Kodiak's compact size and light weight are daily advantages. It's easier to maneuver in tight spaces like sheds or wooded trails, and it sips fuel. Yet it doesn't feel underpowered thanks to its torquey engine. With a comfortable, upright riding position and Yamaha's legendary reliability, the Kodiak 450 is the smart, economical, and utterly dependable choice for a lifetime of daily service. The Can-Am Renegade 850 is the daily driver for the rider with a sporty soul. It's for the active man over 55 whose daily use includes carving trails, exploring back roads, and seeking a thrilling, connected ride without venturing into the extreme realm of a pure sport quad. This machine delivers its daily thrill through agile, precise handling. Its sport-tuned, shorter wheelbase chassis and premium suspension provide razor-sharp responsiveness and a deeply engaging ride on winding trails. The tri-mode dynamic power steering makes this agility effortless, requiring minimal input to flick through turns. Yet, it's tempered with real-world versatility. The torquey Rotax 850cc V-twin provides strong, usable power for two-up riding or light hauling, and its comfortable ergonomics support longer days in the saddle. While its 2WD focus prioritizes play over deep mudslogging, for the rider whose daily routine values spirited performance and fun on established trails above all, the Renegade 850 is a brilliantly engaging and capable companion. The Kawasaki Brute Force 300 is the essential, no-frills daily workhorse. It embodies a philosophy of pure function, making it an ideal choice for the rider over 55 who needs straightforward, reliable utility for daily tasks without complexity or a hefty price tag. Its greatest strength is legendary, simple durability. The air-cooled single-cylinder engine is famously tough and easy to maintain, while the continuously variable transmission, CVT, offers automatic, hassle-free operation. The selectable 4WD provides confident traction when you need it, powered by a drivetrain built to withstand years of faithful service. With its compact size, lightweight, and nimble handling, it excels at daily chores like navigating tight spaces, checking property, or light hauling. It's easy on fuel and incredibly approachable. For the rider who values honest mechanical simplicity, predictable performance, and Kawasaki's reputation for toughness above all else, the Brute Force 300 is a dependable and cost-effective partner for everyday life. The right daily ATV isn't about the most power, it's about the perfect fit. It should offer comfort you can trust, capability you can rely on, and controls that feel intuitive. Choose the machine that empowers your lifestyle, not complicates it. Found your match? Subscribe for more, give us a like, and tell us in the comments which ATV is your ideal daily partner.